Remember when people used to say blogging was dead? Well, guess what? They were wrong. Let me tell you why blogging is still very much alive and kicking, and how you can cash in on this thriving industry. Hey there, Striverz money fans. You might have heard people saying that blogging is outdated, but we're here to tell you otherwise. In today's video, we'll dive into the world of blogging and explore why it's still a lucrative money-making option in 2023. So if you're ready to discover the truth about blogging and learn how you can start making money from it, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to join the Striverz money community. 1. The blogging renaissance. In the age of social media and instant content, many have proclaimed blogging dead. But the truth is, blogging is alive and well, and it's even experiencing a renaissance. Why? Let's look at a few reasons. 1. Increasing demand for long-form content. With people spending more time online, they're craving more in-depth, well-researched content. Blogging fills that gap perfectly, offering readers the opportunity to dive deep into a topic. 2. Google's love for blogs. Google and other search engines love high-quality, regularly updated blogs. Blogging is a fantastic way to improve your website's SEO, driving more organic traffic your way. 3. Authority building. Blogging helps you establish yourself as an expert in your niche. By sharing valuable insights and advice, you'll build trust with your audience, which can translate to increased business opportunities. 2. How do bloggers make money? Now that we've established that blogging is still alive and well, let's talk about the different ways you can make money from it. 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your blog's niche and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. 2. Sponsored content. Partner with brands to create sponsored blog posts or social media content that promotes their products or services. 3. Display ads. Earn passive income by allowing ad networks like Google AdSense to place ads on your blog. 4. Selling digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or printables related to your blog's niche. 5. Offering services. Use your blog as a platform to offer services like coaching, consulting, or freelance work. 3. Success stories of bloggers. Still not convinced that blogging works? Let's take a look at some real-life examples of successful bloggers who are raking in the dough. 1. Pat Flynn from Smart Passive Income. Pat is a blogging superstar who started his blog to document his journey in online business. Today he earns over $100,000 per month through affiliate marketing, online courses, and more. 2. Michelle Schroeder-Gardner from Making Sense of Sense. Michelle started her personal finance blog in 2011 and now earns over $50,000 per month, primarily through affiliate marketing. 3. Abby Lawson from Just a Girl and Her Blog. Abby's blog focuses on organization and productivity, and she generates income through the sale of digital products like ebooks and courses. These are just a few examples of the many bloggers who've built successful businesses around their passions. It's clear that blogging still works, and it can work for you too. 4. Tips for starting a successful blog. Ready to start your blogging journey? Here are some actionable tips to set you on the path to success. Number 1. Choose a niche. Pick a topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Focusing on a specific niche will help you attract a targeted audience and set you apart from the competition. Number 2. Invest in a self-hosted blog. While there are free blogging platforms available, having a self-hosted blog, like one on WordPress.org, will give you more control over your site and make it look more professional. Number 3. Create high-quality content. Focus on producing well-researched, valuable content that helps your readers solve problems or answer questions. This will help you build trust with your audience and improve your blog's search engine ranking. Number 4. Be consistent. Set a blogging schedule and stick to it. Regularly publishing new content will keep your readers engaged and help your blog rank higher in search engine results. Number 5. Promote your blog. Share your content on social media, network with other bloggers, and use SEO strategies to drive traffic to your site. Number 6. Monetize strategically. Don't just rely on one income stream. Diversify your income by implementing a mix of monetization strategies like affiliate marketing, display ads, sponsored content, and selling digital products or services. Here you have the truth about blogging and why it still works as a fantastic way to make money online. Now that you know the potential of blogging, it's time to take action and start building your own blogging empire. Remember, consistency is key, and with dedication, you'll be well on your way to joining the ranks of successful bloggers who are living proof that blogging is alive and well. Now it's your time to take action, and check out the related links in the description, and make sure you watch our other videos on making money and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and keep striving.